Here is how to invite users in QuickBooks Online. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, start by making sure you are in the correct company file and that you have administrator access. That matters because only the right company and the right permission level will let you manage user access. Once you have confirmed that, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu where company and account controls are located. From that menu, choose Manage Users to open the Users page. On the Users page, take a moment to review the people who currently have access to the company. This helps you confirm the current setup before adding someone new, and it is also a good time to make sure you are working in the correct company. When you are ready, click Add User. QuickBooks will ask you to choose the type of user you want to invite. Select the user role you want to assign. The role you choose determines what that person will be able to see and manage inside QuickBooks Online, so make sure it matches the work they need to handle. After selecting the role, continue to the Access and Permissions section. Configure the user's permissions based on what they need to manage in the account. Depending on the role, you may see different options here, so review each setting carefully and choose the permissions that fit that user's responsibilities. Next, enter the user's first name, last name, and email address in the fields provided. Be sure the email address is entered correctly, since this is where the QuickBooks invitation will be sent. A typing error here can prevent the user from receiving the invite. Before sending anything, review the full setup. Check the user's information, role, and permissions to make sure everything is correct. This is the point where you can catch mistakes before the invitation goes out. If everything looks right, click Invite. QuickBooks will send the invitation email to the address you entered. The new user can then open that email and use the included link to accept the invitation and gain access to QuickBooks Online. After the invitation has been sent, return to Manage Users to monitor the status. You can check whether the invitation is still pending, and if needed, you can resend the invitation from the same area. This is useful if the user did not receive the email the first time or has not responded yet. Once the user accepts the invitation, go back to Manage Users again and confirm that their status appears as active. That status confirms they have accepted access and are now connected to the company in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. The new user has now been invited in QuickBooks Online, and their access status can be confirmed from Manage Users.